Welcome to Twill. This is our tutorial video on how to sign up. Go to our page www.twill.net. Select your preferred language. Click on Sign Up. Fill in the form with your information: name, surname, email, phone, and country. Create a username and a password of your preference. Click on the checkbox and click on Create My Account. You will receive a validation email like this one. Click on the validation link. It will take you to our main page for you to proceed to log in. Now you are all set. Thank you. Welcome to Twill. Learn how to quote a service by watching our next video. Contact us for any additional information.